Okay, so this is the last video for this project. It's a kind of a wrap up of what I did on the bike and the kind of successes and failures of this project. So overall, I'm very happy with it. The cost on this bike, I'd say it's just over €1,000 including the bike. The tires, it needed new tires, it needed a lot of stuff. I mean, it's a 23-year-old bike, so it needed quite a lot of stuff. So as you see, the tires, the Maxis M6024s, they're pretty cool. There's a nice profile on them. They look real chunky, real off-road. I also added this disc cover for the disc. That was a kind of a, had to adjust it quite a bit. There's no video on that, but I had to adjust it quite a bit to make it fit. As you see, these bars, these crash bar kind of things, they weren't expensive. They were off AliExpress. I think they were about €15 or so, so they weren't too bad. Kind of where the money was spent was the engine, the stuff you don't see. That's kind of where all the money went. So yeah, the Norako 70cc kit, this one here, is pretty good. I was hoping to get it to about 100 kilometers an hour. I wasn't able to do that. I think it maxes out just around 80, in around the 80 kilometer an hour. So a bit disappointing. But look, overall the price of it was good, so it's not too bad. I mean, it sits nicely at 80, and you know, it's not revved out or anything else like that, so it's good. The gears, these gears, I've video on that as well, from Malossi. They're really good. Only issue is it kind of kills your acceleration, so I would definitely I would definitely think twice about the gearing. At least I've gone very aggressive with what I did, so maybe a less aggressive gear kit would be a better solution. This thing from Malossi, that was a fail. That didn't fit, so I don't know whether I need a new clutch or what it is, but it was supposed to fit and it didn't fit. So I don't know, maybe I ordered the wrong part, or maybe it just doesn't work. The spring, I put the spring in, I took the spring back out. It was a bit too tough. Yeah, I suppose what I was most happy with, was the initial kit, the 70cc kit. The acceleration was phenomenal. I mean, the bike was doing wheelies. So that was great. And the exhaust, I drilled out the exhaust. I'll show you the exhaust now. I mean, after the initial problems with the rust and everything else. Yeah, so I drilled out the little center at the where it attached to the cylinder. So that was good. That gave a phenomenal performance. And then I put in the gears. And then it killed the acceleration but gave me top end. So I don't know, depends what you're looking for. Let me show you the other side of the bike. And here's the other side of the bike. Yeah, God, it's a heavy bike when you have to turn in a circle. Okay, yeah, so I suppose it depends what you're looking for. If you need a kind of more commuter, I would go with some sort of a gearing kit. If you're going with just city driving and acceleration, I would get the kit, the carb, and the exhaust, and I would stop at that. I wouldn't go any further than that. I mean, there's an endless amount of things you can buy for this. I changed the variator as well to the Malossi Multivar. It was alright. No gain in performance or anything else like that. It's a nicer, smoother. It's smoother, but but that's it. No other gain really. Yeah, the Chinese carburetor. It looks like a really nice knockoff. It took me a long time, and I mean a long time, to tune it right. It wasn't the easiest thing to tune. I even used a timing light just to check my revs. Yeah, I hope you like the bike. I hope you like the project. And yeah, I've a new project starting. I'll show you. That's it. So okay, I hope you enjoyed all the videos. If you have any questions, just ask. But hopefully they're self-explanatory. And yeah, hope you enjoyed them.